day to you all at Quicksilver Towers here. Welcome to the YouTube channel if you haven't been here before. If you like what you see, you know what to do. Subscribe and click the bell for notifications. But the reason you're probably here is to hear about this. This is the new Land Rover Defender P400 edition. So this is the inline 6 engine. So you've got this wonderful mirror transverse silencer box here, and you've got our quad carbon fibre tips either side. These systems all run with our own Sound Architect active valve technology. Here's the Quicksilver Sound Architect module, and the way this works is this is supplied with the system. It gets fitted in the car, and then there are two cables plugged into the valves which are up there. So there's two valves, two cables coming from the Sound Architect module. There's also a power cable which plugs into any 12-volt socket anywhere in the car, and then you pair it with our amazing Quicksilver app, and then you can control the valves from the comfort of anywhere. You can be stood this far away from the car, and you can have valves on, valves off, 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 and you can really impress everyone with it. We're going to go to some clips in a minute, and we'll see you on the other side. So check this out. So there we go, Quicksilver, new system for the P400 Land Rover Defender. This system is available to buy now. There's a link below, you can click that, that will take you directly to our website for more information and to find your local dealer, I believe, Ben.
Absolutely, get involved.
Yeah, this is the inline 6, as we said before. There's not a lot else we can say. It sounds a lot better than stock.
Absolutely, yeah. The V8's available too, so.
Yeah. And I believe more coming soon. I think we're even doing the ones for the diesels and stuff like that. Yeah. We are the name for JLR. So yeah, get with it, get Quicksilver on your car. And we'll see you on the next one.
Wicked.